Welcome to Herbalive. Imagine starting your day with a simple, refreshing remedy you may already have in your kitchen or garden that supports your kidneys and promotes overall health. Today, we'll show you how to prepare a natural basil juice and tea using just fresh basil leaves, an easy yet effective solution for kidney stones. Kidney stones, a painful condition caused by the buildup of minerals in the kidneys, can disrupt your life. But did you know that basil leaves have been used for centuries to help manage and even prevent this condition? Let's dive into the amazing ways basil works its magic, which helps break down kidney stones into smaller, less painful fragments. This makes it easier for your body to flush them out naturally. Not only that, basil leaves act as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production. This process helps detoxify your kidneys and prevents the formation of new stones. But there's more. Basil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritation in the urinary tract, while its natural pain-relieving abilities provide comfort during the healing process. A simple cup of basil tea or juice can go a long way. Here's how you can make your own healing basil juice. Place the fresh basil leaves in a blender, along with 1 cup of water. Blend until the leaves are completely pulverized, creating a smooth green liquid. For a smoother texture, pour the blended mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a glass, discarding any solids. For sweeten, mix in 1 teaspoon of honey to the strained juice, if desired. Drink 1 cup of basil juice daily for several weeks. And also, for preparing basil tea, take a handful of fresh basil leaves. Boil them in water for 10 minutes. Strain, and add a teaspoon of honey for taste. Drink this daily for optimal kidney health. Who knew this tiny leaf could be so powerful? If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Let nature guide you to a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching.